Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to fix GPT something seems to have gone wrong error. Now, the first thing that you can actually do is to simply go and open your settings. Then you should search for apps. So here I have apps, just right here. Tap on it, then go to manage apps. And now you will have to search for GPT or ChatGPT. It doesn't really matter. So now I will search for ChatGPT, and here I have it. Just click on it, then click on clear data. Click on clear all data, click on OK. Go to storage, click on clear data again, and you can even uninstall it, then reinstall it again and check if the issue is fixed or not. Or you can simply go and restart your phone and see if the issue is fixed or not. Another thing that you can actually do is to go to the Play Store and make sure that you do not actually have any updates to ChatGPT itself. So here I will search for ChatGPT, and here I actually have an update. So I have to update it, restart the phone, then try to get back to the ChatGPT and try to see if my issue is fixed or not. And hopefully it will be fixed in more than 90% of cases. So that's all for today. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.